How to recover deleted Instagram messages. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can recover deleted Instagram messages. So without any further ado and delay, let us get started with today's video. If you want to recover deleted Instagram messages, now one thing that we can do is we can request Instagram to download our data of the messages. So to do so, come to your profile page. Tap on the three lines icon from the top right hand side, followed by Account Center. Then we will go to Your Information and Permissions, export your information. And from here, it might ask you to log in. So if you haven't done so, make sure to log in over there. And once you're logged in, you'll be able to choose a certain type of data that you can download and just choose messages in that tab. And when you choose messages, Instagram will send you a link to download all of your messages. It will be in an HTML or a JSON format, so you might want to check that as well. So this way you can recover deleted messages. Hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.